We finally got the GR86 back in the garage, and I want to do something to make myself a little bit quicker, and that's changing the wheels out on the GR86. So they are 17 by 7 inch wheels, just the basic wheels that come with the GR86 base model. They look okay. I've run them before on track and I've gotten a fairly good time with them. I could probably get a little bit faster. I've run them twice now on track. The first time I got my personal best and it was 140 point something. I'll put it up here really quick. I can't remember the point something. And then the last time I ran it on track with the base wheels, I didn't do as well. I got around 142 as my best. And I think I kind of lost some of the knowledge that I was doing. I didn't do as many sim races as I should have probably before the race. I just kind of went out there kind of cold. And then I was getting into the flow again, but it wasn't very good. So I kind of want to change that and I want to see if it will get any better. So I picked up some wheels on Facebook and let me show you what I got. All right, I got these. These are some Ray Gramlite wheels. They are 18 by 9.5. And right now they are just running on the wheels that came with them. They are full ways HP 108s. They're not competition tires or anything like that, but they are a bit wider. They are 235s, 40s, 18s. So they should give me a bit more grip on the track than my 17.7s that are running 215, 45, 17s. Now you can see that these tires are a bit bigger than these, so I think the car is gonna sit a little bit higher too. And you know what, we'll just measure the height of the car a little bit and see how much taller these will make it. I have stock suspension on the GR86, so I can't lower them or anything like that. I'm not gonna cut springs or anything like that, but they are the stock suspension. I want to test out if just the wheels will change my track time. I was hoping that I can get a few seconds faster with these wheels. Like I said, these tires aren't competition tires or anything. They're not Advan's 8009s or AO52s or Falcon 660s and 660 Plus. These are just the tires that came with the wheels that I got them. Now, they are a little bit beat up, and I did get these from Facebook Marketplace, like I said, mainly because these are quite expensive, brand new, and I just can't afford brand new wheels. The other reason was I wanted something a little bit more beat up, just in case I do anything stupid on the track, which I hope I never do, and I kind of scrape up the wheels. I won't feel so bad about scraping up these wheels. Hopefully I don't ever do anything very stupid on the track. Hopefully I keep it all together, of course. Hopefully everyone keeps it together on track, but you never know what happens. These came up on Facebook Marketplace, so I got them for $1,200. I gotta thank my buddy JJ that went and got them for me down in Houston. So thanks for picking them up for me. I didn't have to make the drive all the way down there. But yeah, these are the wheels that I'll be running and these are the tires I'll be running. Let me show you the comparison side by side. I have my wheels that I drift in. They are the same size. They are Subaru 17 by 7s, but I can show you the difference between the width and the size side by side. Let me grab those really quick. All right, so these are the drifting wheels that I got before. These are just stock Subaru BRZ wheels. These are 17 by 7s as well, same as the GR86. They're basically the same car. So I got these for drifting. As you can see, the Gramlites are a bit wider than the stock Subaru wheels. So quite a bit wider there. And I get a little bit more tire. So I'll get a little bit more traction on the Gramlites. Like I said, I'm gonna test out these full-way HP 108s first. They're not the greatest tire, they're cheaper. The tires that I want are a bit too expensive. I'm just gonna wait for now, maybe save up for them. But these will be a good test to see if just the wheel size will help me on track or not and give me a few seconds. The other thing is, why 18s? Why didn't I just do 17s or something like that? Make them about the same size and diameter. mainly because I'm thinking about the future of what I want to do with the GR86 as well. So this kind of sets up other future modifications as well as just the wheel. So I think it's gonna look great on the GR86. So let's put them on and take a look. And really quickly, let's measure how high it sits right now. So right now, it's sitting about 7 inches off the ground. So we'll keep that in mind. And we'll put on the wheels and we'll see how much taller it gets. We finished swapping out the tires. The gram lights look great on the GR86, and we've gotten it all buttoned up and everything, and that torque to spec and everything, so we're ready to go. I might actually need to get some hub rings in there to kind of make it more hub-centric than lug-centric right now, so we will be all set. So it looks good right now. Let me measure if there's any difference in height. Yeah, just a little bit over 7.5 inches taller than it was. So about a ½ inch taller than it was with the stock wheels. So I think that should be okay. We're gonna run them and see how much faster I can get. Let me know in the comments how fast you think I can get with these wheels. If anything, maybe you think it's gonna be a negative impact on the time, that's fine as well. Hopefully it's a positive impact and I get a new PR. But other than that, let's clean it up a little bit, drive it around, and let me give you some shots of the car in the light a little bit. All right, we've got it washed. It's looking really nice. I actually really like the look. It does stick out a little bit, but that's okay. Just a little bit. It looks a little bit more aggressive to me, but I like that. Drove it around quite a bit. It's feeling pretty good. I feel like we are on bigger tires than the stock ones, so hopefully they'll translate to a little bit more speed so that I can get a little bit better time on my track day. But with that, thank you for watching. Be sure to like the video, subscribe to Gas and Watts, and I'll see you next time.